roughly about a pound of shrimp. You can always use more, of course. This is roughly about a half a kilo. 8 garlic cloves finely chopped. Parsley finely chopped as well. And then just an additional set of parsley here, which I will use just for some decor at the end. 1 whole lemon, and that will be for seasoning. And then just some additional lemon slices, again, just for some decor for your presentation. Some extra virgin olive oil, salt for seasoning, some chili powder or cayenne powder, paprika, and butter as well. All right, I'm going to get my frying pan heating up and we'll get right started. All right, guys, let's start with the seasoning. So some salt. We'll put in our cayenne pepper. Your 8 garlic cloves that were finely chopped. And squeeze in your whole lemon. All right, once you got your lemon squeezed over your shrimp, just drizzle over some extra virgin olive oil. It will help out with the flavor. Definitely help out with the flavor there. And then some of your paprika. Could be smoked Spanish paprika, whatever type of paprika. All right, that's a good amount there. Just give this a stir. Get all of that delicious garlic over your shrimp. So I got my non-stick frying pan heating on a low. Gonna continue to let it heat. In the meantime, the shrimp can start marinating in this beautiful marinade that we've just made. It's smelling so good. All right, we'll get right back to the next process. All right, frying pan's heated enough. Let's drizzle in some olive oil. That should be fine right there. And then you're gonna add in a nice spoonful of butter. I'm using a regular butter with salt. All right, we're just gonna let this melt through. You can use margarine as well, but definitely will be a lot tastier with just regular butter. Can also be non-salted because we put salt over the shrimp. All right, just gonna get my cooking spoon. All right, once this has melted, we'll pour over the shrimp and we'll start cooking. All right, that's been heating for a good minute. Let's pour in the shrimp. Get all of that garlic out of there. All of that wonderful flavor into your frying pan. All right, we're just gonna give this a slight mix. A nice stir. I had it on the low. I'm gonna bring it up to just a medium low. Looking delicious. Absolutely marvelous dish. This can be a great side dish, an appetizer. Holidays are coming up. Great appetizer to share with your friends and family. All right, we're gonna let this cook for a couple of moments and we'll move along here shortly with the next step. All right, the shrimp have been going for 3 minutes. And as you can see, the sauce is starting to thicken up. Keep giving it an occasional stir, flipping your shrimp over, getting all that flavor around your frying pan. Have the shrimp coated in that delicious butter, garlic, and your spices. I'm just gonna add in, which I forgot to add in earlier, but I'm gonna add in some fresh black pepper. So just adding in some pepper. Of course, that's to your liking as well, so just ground, regular ground pepper. I'm just gonna give that a stir. I have it on a low medium. Just gonna lower it down just a little bit more. So we're trying to cook this nice and slowly, giving it a good stir occasionally. This kitchen is smelling awesome, guys. Wish you guys were here to smell it, but I hope that you try out this recipe and you can let me know what you think. All right, I'm gonna let that go for a couple more moments, and then we should be almost ready to plate this dish up. Right, it's been another 2 minutes. I'm gonna add in my finely chopped parsley. Add it towards the end to keep in all that fresh flavor from the fresh parsley, okay? Give that a nice stir. Looking beautiful. Smelling amazing. Oh, smelling so good. All right, I'm just gonna flip the shrimps over, get everything coated. We're gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna plate this amazing dish. All right, just finishing off the final touches. We've already got this wonderful garlic butter shrimp plated, looking great. Just adding some of that additional butter and olive oil sauce just to top it off. All right, guys, there you have it. Garlic butter shrimp, made here at Sergio Vidal Cooking Recipes.